Okay guys, welcome back to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diets. I'm Dr. Lou. So this is day 4 of your keto menu. Now, on day 4 you should be feeling a little bit better. You've gotten over day 2 and 3 where you have immense cravings, hunger, you get maybe some parts of emotional anger, you start getting withdrawal symptoms from sugar, and at the same time your electrolytes will be dropping in water, and so you are feeling very grumpy or uncomfortable. Again, if you've taken electrolytes on the meal plan, you should be fine. Now, here we go. So we're going to move on, and you again should be starting to move up and improving. You're improving, you're really coming now. You've started ketosis, you want to get into full ketosis, you're on the way. So here we go, day 4. Okay guys, so you can see the picture here now of the meal plan. So you've got 3 obviously meals for the day. You have breakfast, you have lunch, and you have dinner. Now, so day 4's keto menu: fry all food in healthy oils. Olive oil for is an example. Avoid seed oil like sunflower, canola, and corn oil. Why is that? Well, that's more just trying to keep you clean keto. These ones have additional things within them that can possibly cause some issues. So it's just trying to steer you away from that. So basically guys, you can see here 7.2 grams total daily net carbs. Fantastic. Again, under half your allowance. Now, why do I say this is the great one? Because if your 3 main meals are that low, you can have a little bit more milk, or you can have several cups of tea a day of milk in them. You can have a little snack here or there. You can go and eat some crispy bacon. You know, it's 0 carb itself though, but you might, slip and you might eat something with a bit of carb. So the main idea here is that you've got an allowance for snacks. Okay guys, so you can see here breakfast: courgette, hash brown. So anyone from the US watching, a courgette is a zucchini. So courgette, hash browns, cheese and egg. So that's going to be a lovely hash brown mixed together, lots of courgette mixed in there with lovely cheese and egg. It's going to be delicious. Now, you've got a courgette shredded and drained, 1 small at 80 grams. You've got 3 large eggs at 180 to 240 grams. You have cheese, which is, I've got down there, cheddar, 0 carb, 50 grams. Cooking butter or olive oil, fry that up. That'll be absolutely delicious. 1 tablespoon of 15 grams, and you come in at net carbs of 2.2 grams, which is fantastic. Now, again, if you have a drink with this, then you can choose water, fizzy water. You can have tea, coffee. If you add milk, add on 0.7 grams of carb per 15 milliliter that you pour in there. Plus, also at the same time, make sure that you take your supplements. So your supplements are down there. You've got a vitamin C effervescent tablet, a sugar-free one, and you understand that's going to help with immunity for vitamin C. Vitamin C is a soluble vitamin, meaning it doesn't go in your bones, it goes around in water. So when your water goes out as well, you urinate, you lose vitamin C. So it's not a constant, stable, long-term vitamin. So you've got that. That's for immunity, and skin for collagen. Now, here you can see multivitamin and mineral tablet. That's there because obviously you have your minerals. You don't always meet them, so that will help bolster it up. But also at the same time, vitamins, which usually you get mostly from fruit. You can get them from other means, but having your vitamins in a tablet means you just get them. So you're ticking everything to say, I'm not going to get keto flu. Thank you very much. Electrolyte tablet, that's you can get from many places. It's just an electrolyte tablet. It will tell you how much to take. I've got down there 1 tablet. Mine says 2. I take 1 usually because I just don't want to take too many unless I sweat a lot, and then usually I'll make sure I compensate. That's if you do gym work. Now, if you come on to the next one, you've got biotin complex there, or it's just basically, it's a mixture of stuff with biotin in it from a gummy. So it's a gummy, as you can see, a little teddy bear gummy, and that gummy, it will have biotin to help break down triglycerides. It's a vitamin B7, that is. It will have some electrolytes in there, and a few other things as well. Mine has caffeine in it, but wakes me up a little bit, and it seems to be working quite well. So the main idea is that that's there, and it all bolsters to make sure that you don't get keto flu. Okay, so then obviously that's your breakfast. Now moving on to lunch, you can see there you have salmon and green leaf salad. So salmon fillet at 0 carbs and one large piece, approximately 200 grams. You have leafy green salad leaves, which is lettuce spinach mix, 2 cups of 100 gram. Olive oil dressing with no sugar, 1 tablespoon, 15 to 30 grams, and salt and pepper. So the whole idea is that olive oil dressing as well, you can fry in olive oil, you can bake it, you can do it, you want air fry it. I generally put a bit of butter on top of it and air fry it. So net carbs, 2 grams. Excellent, right? So moving on now for dinner. Dinner, you can see lamb cutlets and cauliflower, and you can see they're very, extremely delicious there. Again, if you feel, for example, one day, I don't feel like that, swap out with another 0 carb one, pork chops. There you go. Nice bit of beef. As long as it's, 0 carb, it doesn't matter. So you've got the cauliflower there. You want to fry it in butter. I'd say fry it in butter rather than steam it. You've got cooking olive oil or butter and seasoning. So those lamb chops will go down nicely, and you've only got 3 grams of carbs. So overall daily carbs, 7.2 grams. So only 7.2 grams. It's another fantastic dish for the keto plan. Okay guys, so that's pretty much your 4th day meal. This should be as well where you are feeling better. You're pushing through, you're understanding that yes, everything is conducive now. I feel I'm getting better. I feel less discomfort. I feel less cravings. I feel less hunger. I can feel this diet's really making me better, and I'm starting to focus. You are starting ketone production, you're getting it ramped up. As soon as it's ramped up a few more days, you're going to be super clear and calm. Your blood sugar level is stable. Don't touch any processed keto snacks yet. Wait until you've done it for maybe a week or 2. Then if you want to have a reward, use those keto snacks. You can look at my reviews if you want some, and they would tell you what you can have or not. Some things in the UK are sugar-free and you can't have them, and some things are sugar-free and you can have them. So that's the kind of problem you have. Some things on the label will say they're fine to have and they're not. So that's why I do the reviews, to identify them. Most of them are actually pretty good, but some of them that contain maltitol, or some of them that contain sorbitol, xylitol, these are going to give you carbs. Now, if you've got any other issues or you're worried, make sure to go and see your GP. Most things that happen and you experience in this keto diet are covered on the videos that I have. And the reason it's there is so it makes you comfortable and secure and understand your keto journey is going to be successful. Now, I hope you enjoy the menu and go forward to day number 5. Okay guys, I'll see you on the next one.